Let's begin with expected value. The expected value of x is the weighted average of all possible values of x times the probability that that outcome will occur. For example, let's take a six-sided die. What is the expected value of one roll of the die? We can use our new formula to calculate this. So we will take each possible outcome of a die roll, multiply that by the probability it will occur. Then we sum each of these values. When you add this equation, you'll find 3.5 is the expected value of one die roll. Now, this may seem odd at first, since it's not possible to actually roll a 3.5. But remember, this isn't a prediction of any single roll of the die. Rather, you should think of it as a long-run average. As we continue to roll our die over and over again, the average of those rolls will tend to converge on this number. Expected value is an important idea in statistics, and it will come up over and over again in later videos.